So, good day everyone. Our topic is all about the Philippine Coast Guard or the PCG operations. So, from the word Philippine Coast Guard, we all know nga, side yun isa sa mga marine transportation, marine vessels, ports, or mga seasides sa Philippine jurisdiction. So, the Philippine Coast Guard is mandated and is responsible to perform maritime search and rescue, maritime law enforcement, maritime safety, marine environmental protection, and maritime security. So in this paragraph, makabalo na ta na ang PCG is responsible din sila sa mga security, search and rescue, mga environmental law, and security sa marine side sa Philippine jurisdiction. So they are also the armed and uniformed service of the Philippines responsible for safeguarding life and property of sea, protecting marine resources, and enforcing maritime law in the Philippines. Also, PCG is under sa Department of Transportation. Next is, in the next slides, nani sila yung mga various groups ni sila na mga nag-focus ni sila sa mga kanya-kanya nilang responsibility para mas matuunan o pansin tong mga kanya-kanya nilang responsibility. So, next, first group is the MARSAF or the Maritime Safety. Its functions are designed to help prevent or minimize unnecessary loss of lives and properties of sea. So, in this instance pa lang, makabalo na ta na ilahang responsibility is to make the marine side of the Philippines na mag-safety sila. It's either for life sa mga tao or sa mga properties sa sea. The seaworthiness of every vessel leaving the port is ensured through the intensified mandatory pre-departure inspection, which includes the compliance of vessels to safety standards and the prevention of vessels from sailing to failure to comply with the standards. So, nasa sila ginatawag na mandatory pre-departure inspection, which is pasabot ani bago ipalarga ang mga vessels sa kanya-kanya nilang destination. Sa port pa lang daan, gina-inspect na nila ang vessels para safety ilang paglakaw, safety ilang pag-abot dito sa ilang destination. Also, conduct of random emergency readiness evaluation and operation readiness evaluations in the ports, conduct of regular vessel safety inspection and publication of notice to mariners, and the implementation and enforcement of navigational rules and designation of sea lanes, among others. Also, very sabotable na naajuday mga inspections, regular kanang mga regular inspection jud na siya nga gina-implement jud sa mga vessels dito And also, PCG is also responsible of issuing permits and then supervising all marine salvage operations. Of course, PCG is responsible po na sila sa mga permits about sa marine sites sa Philippine jurisdiction.
This is also one of the responsibilities and activities sa MARSAF, guys.
Maritime Security or MARSEC. So it is another important function of the PCG. Considering the archipelagic character of the country, it is vital to enhance the security of these different maritime zone to protect the integrity as a nation. So ang maritime security is importante ni sa Philippine Coast Guard or PCG kay ang Pilipinas usa ka archipelagic nga bansa. So importante kayo ang pag-maintain sa seguridad sa mga kadagatan. So ang PCG nagahimo sila mga regular nga patrol o pagbantay sa dagat aron ma-sure ang safety sa barko nga nagbiyahe, malikayan ang mga illegal nga butang like drugs or mga illegal firearms or etc. So one of the main objectives sa PCG nga sigurohon ang seguridad sa mga aktibidad sa pagpangita o paggamit sa mga natural nga marine life o resources sa sulod sa maritime jurisdiction sa Pilipinas. So under sa Sea Marshal Program ang PCG. So nag-join force sila sa AFP, which is ang Armed Forces of the Philippines, and also PNP, Philippine National Police, aron maprotektahan ang mga biyahe sa atong mga barko. And ang Coast Guard na sila yung mga K9 unit nga ginapabantay sa mga pantalan sa atong barko. Ginagamit niya ang mga K9 kay makadetect di ba makadetect man na sila og mga like mga nabi mga drugs or mga explosive nga bombs or etc. Is MARSAR. So the Philippine Coast Guard, in accordance with the Convention of Safety of Life at Sea or SOLAS, is the National Maritime Search and Rescue Service of the country. So the Coast Guard Action Center at the PCG headquarters in Manila, by virtue of the current functions and facilities, serves as the coordinating centers for all search and rescue operations. So, ang Philippine Coast Guard sa International Convention on the Safety of Life at Sea or SOLAS, mao ni siya ang official nga agency sa Pinas nga nag-maintain sa mga operation sa pag-search o pag-rescue sa mga tao sa dagat. And while kaning Coast Guard Action Center or CGAC nga under sa PCG headquarters sa Manila, mao ni central nga coordinating center sa tanan nga search and rescue operations.
The maritime laws enforcement to implement or enforce laws and regulations at sea, such as the inspection of firearms and explosives, including sa dire ang poaching. Poaching means illegal hunting of animals, immigration or tariff. Immigration means conduct inspection of vessels, including those involved sa mga gaship o mga items. Then tariff, imposed sa isa country on goods and services imported from another country, which tax to tax. Tariffs, tax. Next, Philippine Coast Guard. Philippine Coast Guard is authorized to board and inspect all watercraft suspected na involved sa illegal trade. Then ang Philippine Coast Guard, giilasad sila as a Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. Next, RA 9993, otherwise known as the Philippine Coast Guard Law of 2009, by 21 o government agency aron masugpo ang mga illegal na ginabuhat sa water area. Lastly, Marine Environmental Protection or MAREP. IMO means International Maritime Organization on Marine Pollution of 1973 and 1978 or MARP. MARPOL means the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships. Ang Philippine Coast Guard under sa RA 993 and responsible sila sa Philippine implementation of convention to prevent the oil pollution mitigation og sila sad ang ga-monitor and control. Thank you.